everyone, and welcome to Lety Does Tech Badly, specifically for my YouTube VR tutorial. So for those of you that don't know already, I just uploaded a cooking with style video in VR. And it was a collaboration video with my friend Telly from VR Fan Service. And you can go check it out here, I guess. But I had a lot of people tell me that they weren't sure how to watch VR videos, and it's 2019, and you know, unfortunately, not a lot of people know how to do that. So I am going to be showing you how to watch videos in VR and also some cool glasses that you can use. So I'm going to be doing this tutorial on Android because I have an S10 Plus, but this should work on iPhone as well. You would just have to use like the Apple App Store instead. So it'll look a little different, but you know, there are ways to do it. Okay, so as you can see, if you just play the VR video on YouTube's app without any glasses, you will get this video where you can control it as long as your gyroscope is on. You can see me, and you can look around the room if you tilt your phone around. So it's pretty cool that YouTube will let you look at a VR video like this where you still get like the virtual reality aspect because you can look around the room and stuff, but this video was actually filmed in VR 180. So what that means is that there were actually like two cameras right next to each other that would mimic like the human eye. So in order to get that like 3D effect with the depth, you would have to watch this in split screen, in which you would need a pair of glasses, which I am going to be showing off right now. So for that, I have two options here, and I am actually going to start with the cheaper option. Well, both of them are, you know, relatively cheap. This one's a little more expensive, but this is Google Cardboard. It cost me $15. And basically, I'm just doing a little unboxing here. Google Cardboard is Google's first VR platform that kind of... I'm trying to put this back. Any VR manufacturer can adapt with their own stuff. So you would have the glasses right here. They come from the bigger box over there, and all you need to do to use it is pop this open. I probably shouldn't have just put all that force in one area. That could have been bad. And then open this up like this, and then push this down, push this like this, and then you just put your phone here and close this up. But before you do that, you need to do the most important step, which is you need to go to the Play Store or the App Store if you have an iPhone, and you need to download the Google Glass app. Did I say Google Glass? I meant Google Cardboard. Google Glass isn't a thing. Not anymore. Nobody wanted it. But yeah, just gonna let that download for a second. So as I mentioned before, each manufacturer can use Google Cardboard, but when they make a product, they're going to have this little, I guess I should shut off to this camera, this little QR code down here at the bottom that you need to scan that will tell your phone just how it would need to adapt for the placement of the lenses and how it will register with the product. So they all have a little QR code for you to scan. Okay, just allow it, and then it says look for the QR code. So you gotta, come on. Okay, well, there we go. Successfully paired. Well, I thank you. And then it said Cardboard 2015 because that's when this was made. So once you have installed Google Cardboard, down here you're going to see this little Google Cardboard button, and if you push it, make sure you have the right viewer selected. So right now it's Google Cardboard, continue. It's gonna split the screen. And then you just can stick this shit back in your thing, close that shit up. Blah. And then you can watch the video in 3D, and you can push the button for settings and stuff. Anyway, so yeah, that is how it would look using the Google Cardboard. Okay, so now I'm gonna take this thing out, and we have gone over the free option of just watching this in regular, like, I'm trying to get back to that setting. Yeah, so we've gone over the free option of just watching this through YouTube's app using the regular VR, and we have gone over the cheap option, which is the Google Cardboard, and now we are going to go over the slightly more expensive option at about double the price, coming in at $30, which is these merge glasses. What I didn't mention was I'm gonna be posting links to these because they're available on Amazon, so I'll be posting links to those in the description. But anyway, this one is a little nicer. They are also Google Cardboard. Did I put this back in upside down? No, this is right side up. Their packaging is clear, it's confusing. Anyway, so you got your little packet of stuff here if you want to know more. And we're not gonna. But anyway, ta-da! Slightly nicer option. You are going to have this head strap on the back, and back here on the head strap is actually where the QR code is going to be, so I'm just going to scan that real quick. And then if you go back to YouTube, you can push this option again, and it will ask you if you want to watch it with the Merge 360 goggles, and you can hit continue. And we're gonna pause you because you're annoying. And then these goggles, I'm holding them upside down, these goggles actually, you gotta remove this. These are little instructions for you, so it's just telling you to adjust the goggles how you like them first, because this one, unlike the Google Glass, you know, you don't have to hold it up. They have straps for your head, which I'm probably gonna have to adjust very, very small actually, because I have a very little bitchly tiny head. So let me do that real quick. I actually haven't adjusted these. Okay, so now I have adjusted this to fit my head, and I'm gonna slide my phone in here. It's a little tight because my phone is so big. You can stretch this out. It's okay if you do, because it's foam. Ah, stop. Shut up. And it can handle it. The thing is, when I'm getting this in here, I push all the buttons. I don't want to push the buttons. Anyway, it's pretty easy to get in. I don't want to hit the power button next to it. Whew, whoop. There we go. So, yeah, you can slide your phone in. It's in there. Your phone is now secure. I'm kidding, don't do that. Don't do that. It's not a protector. It is very foamy though. It says it's drop resistant. I hit the power button, so I should probably fix that. Okay, so once you have your phone in there and you put it on, you can actually, my hair's in my way. I need to get a haircut, but anyway. You can actually use these like two little dial thingies on the bottom to adjust the lenses to your pupil distance so that you can see things better and it is more comfortable. And also, Unlike the Google Cardboard, which only has the one button on the right-hand side, this one has two. So it has one on the right and one on the left, for all you lefties out there. So anyway, and now I can go ahead and hit the play button. And yeah, you can adjust it to how you like. And you can see things hands-free. I can't see the real world right now, but I'm assuming Hobo's over there. Hobo. Hobo, love your mother. Where are you? Is this the bed? Is this the bed? I feel the bed. Okay. Follow the bed. Follow along the bed. There will be a cat. A little further along the bed then. Yes! Yes. Yes, I found you. Hobo, I am your mother. I am your mother. Where'd you go? Did you leave me? Oh. I love you, Hobo. Do you love me? You fucking love me, huh? And, I think with that about covers this, video. So, yeah, I hope this made sense to, like, some people. Maybe you guys knew this already, but, you know, in short, I have the VR video up on YouTube. Again, if you only watch it through the YouTube app, you'll only be able to see it in VR. To see it in 3D, you are actually going to need glasses. And I need stuttering glasses and shit. Anyway, you're gonna need glasses. So, the cheaper option, Google Cardboard, 15 bucks. And it works pretty well, does its job. It's nice, it's cheap. And if you have a little more money, I would suggest splurging a little to get the Merge 360 goggles, because they are more comfortable, they're hands-free, and then the box says it's glasses friendly. So yeah, let me know what you guys think of the video, if you liked it, and if you want to see more things in VR, and if you want to go check out Telly stuff. I'll probably put a link somewhere as well. There's a link on the video too. But yeah, I think that is basically all I got for you guys for now. So get out there, do all the stuff, and I'll see you next time. Bye! Don't go back to the real world! This is much better, Shaggy! Oh yes, look at me cooking. Cooking, cooking, cooking! You wanna see some hot bitches in VR, Shaggy? I got you, bro. I got you. How was that? That was great, huh?